Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Top Notes with Steven. I am Steven, your party host, your paragon of virtue, your Sherpa through this fragrance journey. Now, today we have a summer banger. It is out of the house of Maison Margiela in 2012. We have Beach Walk. And it is out of the replica line. Now the replica scenario that they're trying to produce is Calvi 1972 Sun-Kissed Salty Skin. This is not a first impression video. I've smelled this before because I haven't. And it is something to behold. Top notes in this is bergamot, lemon, pink pepper, coconut milk, heliotrope, benzoate, cedar, and white musk. This is something to behold in the summertime because it is a summer banger. And all I ever bring to you are bangers. I would not bring to you something that I would not have in my collection. Now, let's give this a spray and I'll tell you more about it. Something that I've noticed with Maison Margiela is atomizers. You know, the stuff, the thing that sprays the actual juice onto the scanner or the sniffer is always very good. Maison Margiela can be bought now for Fragrance X, Aurora fragrances, stuff like that. Let's give this a smell. Woo! Definitely right away you can smell that coconut. And I'm not sure if that's on the wet spray and the dry down, but definitely the coconut. Just imagine 70s and 80s, you're on the beach, smelling like banana boat, getting a tan. Or in Florida, Hollywood, Florida, Lakeland, Florida, St. Augustine, anywhere in Florida, Miami, Gainesville, you never know. I like this one. I like this one a lot because it reminds me of summertime and the fun that you can have in summertime. Longevity on this one, particular one, is only like 3 to 4 hours. Not very long lasting, but it does the trick if you're going out with friends, going out to the beach, going out to a function, a barbecue, whatever. In the summertime, family gathering, doesn't really matter. You wear this one, and this is massa pleasing. When I say massa pleasing, everyone's gonna have it. Everyone is gonna like it. It's not gonna be offensive to anybody because it's just a fun fragrance. And that's what particularly fragrances are, fun. Okay, now that it's drying down a little bit, I can really smell the pink pepper and the lemon. Yeah, this is a good one. One more. Yeah, it's a good one, guys. You should definitely pick this up. Aurora Fragrances usually has stuff on the discount and cheap. I'll link down below. All right, guys. As always, like and subscribe. Give Daddy a big old thumbs up. And as always, stay blessed.